What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing some bacon wrapped corn. We're going to be doing it in our air fryer. Typically, you'll see a lot of people do this out on the smoker, things like that, but I'm going to try to do it in my air fryer and see how that turns out. Anyway, should be a very simple recipe. Let's take a look at what we're working with. So this is going to be a very simple recipe. Really, all that we have is I have a couple ears of corn. We have some bacon. You're going to want more of a thin cut bacon on this. I have some roasted chopped green chili peppers, and I have that kind of all the liquid drained out of that. And we're going to kind of hit it with a little bit of this barbecue rub that is by a company called GQ Barbecue. They own a restaurant in Colorado, and he also has a YouTube channel. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to that channel in the iCard above and description below. Run by there. See if you like what he's throwing out. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this bacon cut out, and we're going to go ahead and just start building this up. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and lay out some bacon. Alright, now that we have our bacon laid out, we're going to go ahead and add our green chili on the top of that. Just kind of spread it out on here. Now this is totally optional. I'm not sure if this is going to be necessary or not, but I love my green chili, so we're going to go ahead and rock that out. Alright, that should be good. Now we're just going to grab our corn. We're going to start rolling it up. Try to make sure it's all covered up. Alright, that is good to go. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my next ear of corn, and we'll get it in the air fryer. Now we're just going to go over it lightly with this barbecue rub here. We're not going to want it to overpower what we have working. Alright, that is good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and get it in our air fryer. Now that we have our corn wrapped in bacon with our green chilies, we got it seasoned up with that rub. We're going to go ahead and throw it in our air fryer. Now I don't want this bacon to cook faster than the corn, so we're going to cook at a lower temperature for about the first 15 minutes. I'm going to be going at about 280 degrees. I just want to cook the bacon without actually crisping it until the bacon is, or till the corn is somewhat cooked. Let's go ahead and start. So now that we've gone those 15 minutes, I am going to go ahead and pump this temperature up. So we're going to go, I'm going to go about 320 degrees, and I'm going to go for another 15 minutes and see where we're looking at that point. So I did just check this about 5 minutes ago, and we just want to make sure that the bacon is rendered out on this. So it looks like we are good to go right there. Don't need to go much past that. I'm sure the corn is cooked, the bacon's rendered. All I need to do is plate this up and taste it now. Alright guys, so that is it. A nice, quick, and easy recipe. Really no skill involved in this, but let's get in, see what we're looking like, seeing if it tastes good enough for maybe you to try. Can definitely taste that rub that's coming through from that GQ barbecue rub. The heat, though, is coming from them extra hot roasted green chili peppers. Corn is cooked all the way through. I'm not even gonna lie. I could eat this whole thing in front of you. But before I do that, I want to thank you for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.